Manufacturing company executives rarely question traditional budgets for photography, catalogs, product videos, or trade fairs. Very few of them can quantify the return of these investments, but the inertia of the status quo keeps them from innovating. In my view, they face two dangers. One, they might fall behind in the market to more innovative competitors. Two, not being tech ready for a new era of selling and buying. Top companies like IKEA, Amazon, or Home Depot have jumped at the opportunity to sell using 3D and augmented reality and go beyond traditional methods. The risks of the status quo for small and medium-sized companies are high, so here's a framework for them to evaluate this opportunity to innovate. First, consider the cost of visuals per SKU. Take, for example, furniture. A photo shoot can cost thousands of euros, particularly when transporting furniture to a studio is involved. Many companies are reducing these costs by up to 50%. This is because once you have a 3D model, the cost of creating photorealistic images is very affordable. And it offers the possibility to create new settings and new images just with a computer. Second, take conversion rates. In furniture, they stand at 0.5 as opposed to 2.25% in all industries. Using 3D and augmented reality, Home Depot saw increases of up to 200% in conversion rates. 3. Take return on investment. UK sofa giant DFS reported a 22-fold return on their investment in 3D and augmented reality. 4. Consider product returns, which are very costly for the whole supply chain, from manufacturers to distributors and retailers. Shopify has reported that sellers saw a decrease of 40% in product returns using 3D and augmented reality. 5 is the cost of shipping, printed catalogs, materials, or even products around the world. These costs are very high and it's very inefficient. Visualizing items in 3D and augmented reality can reduce these costs by up to 50%. And 6, labor costs. Heads of sales and product spend a lot of time with the customers explaining complex configuration options or creating one-off photoshopped images to deliver to the clients. With 3D and augmented reality, they can save time, and the cost of these materials comes down to virtually zero. Today, the cost of 3D and AR for commerce starts at just a few €100 per month. To evaluate this investment opportunity, companies can create realistic financial scenarios using industry benchmarks. It is only like this that executives can make an informed decision about the potential benefits of these technologies.